Alright guys, we're back at it. We're going to be testing out our new batteries on our Outcast. And we switched over to the dumbbell, so we have a little, the stock system seems to be a little goofy. Let me pull her out. Show you what's inside. Two 9000 milliamp. These things are monsters. Our controller on. Now it should be able to get more than 36. So we'll just pop their GPS in the chassis, and we'll just throw 2 clips on her for now, just to make sure the hood don't come off completely. So, for those that don't know, I got this from RCRX Mike. He's just about 1,000 subs, so make sure you go check him out because he hooked me up. He gave me all new parts for anything that looked questionable. So right now we're going to be bashing her with our new batteries and doing a speed run real quick. That front wheel pick right up. That's insane. This thing's awesome. So like I was saying, we'll get a new look on life after we get a good bash session in this weekend. We're testing out these batteries. CNHL hooked us up. They're 9,000 milliamps, so they're gonna last forever. That thing is so scary when it comes at you. Look at that balloonage. All right, let's see what we got here, guys. This thing's awesome. Whoa, we went in reverse. I know, right? Because this thing is a monster. So we'll get it out at the Mendon this weekend. We just wanted to do a quick shakedown with our new battery, see what kind of speeds we're looking at. And if I can get the damn clips off. With any luck, we hit 35 or 40. I don't know if we got any faster. I don't know. It probably wasn't even on. We'll do another quick spin. While we got it out, got to get a decent speed on her. Make sure it's playing. There we go. Now this thing does get a little hot. I did do a driveway run yesterday, so this thing's awesome. So our plan is to put all new freshy parts on this once we get our shakedown, and we'll strip it down, and I'm gonna go check with Winter's Eden and hopefully they got a bearing set for us. Definitely turns better than one way. Plus we'll get our servo set. I think we need to strengthen our rear shocks. Hopefully we got some speed this time, or a speed on it. Stop it! Alright. Yeah, that's better. That's what I was expecting. 45, it wasn't even working before. So 45 miles an hour is our baseline. We'll test out the 6600 mAh ones as well later. But that's not bad. It's a smaller pinion. This isn't set up for some more bashing style than it is speed. So it is what it is. Hopefully you guys dig. Make sure you check out our sponsor, CNHL. These batteries are pretty sweet. They finally got them in the US warehouses, so they're ready to go, ready to sell. Check them out. They also got a bunch of other ones. If you can't afford these, they have another one that's a 90C. These are 120C, so they're insane. Maybe we'll get a set of those at some point and compare the difference between the two and what you get for that extra oomph. Anyways, like and subscribe, guys. Hopefully you dig. See you when I see you. Peace.